About chapter on women, Surah Nisa, in Quran. Surah An-Nisa, the women, is the fourth chapter of the Quran, consisting of 176 verses. The chapter deals with various aspects of social, legal, and ethical issues related to women, including marriage, divorce, inheritance, and legal testimony. In the beginning of the chapter, Allah commands believers to be just and kind to women, to fulfill their rights, and to avoid oppressing them. The chapter also outlines the rules of inheritance, which include the provision for women to inherit from their deceased family members. Surah An-Nisa also discusses the importance of marriage and encourages believers to treat their spouses with kindness and respect. The chapter provides guidelines for the dissolution of marriages and the protection of divorced women. Furthermore, the chapter prohibits certain practices, such as marrying one's stepmothers and certain close relatives, and encourages modesty and righteousness for both men and women. Overall, the chapter emphasizes the importance of treating women with respect and justice, and recognizes their rights and contributions in society.